So I'm going to keep going here to my other kind of favorite mop here, all right? This is, I'm going to just bring it here so you can kind of just take a look. My super cute, all right, Swivel Mop Head and hands-free mop head, guys. This is a really special and unique product, first of all right? So just to let you know, if we're going to look at the functions, once again, it has all of the basic functionalities that all of these great cleaning products have. I have my little convenient holder at the top. I have my adjustable swivel head here too. Let me just show you guys what it can do. As you see, I have this super great length of the mop here too. And this is my swivel-headed mop, okay? So it's my 2-in-1 self-rotating mop. And let me tell you why it is a 2-in-1 function, all right? So first, let me just detach it and remove the mop so you really see just what it looks like. So it is an entirely swivel-headed mop, as you see here. So it has this full 360 rotation. And what is so great about this mop is the bucket that comes with it, okay? So as I said, here is how it works. Now I have 2 tier levels for this mop here, guys, all right? So as you can see with my one-handed function, what this mop does is do all kinds of different things here, all right? So the first thing, as I'm able to see here, so the first level of the mop is my cleaning, all right? So that's where I would kind of just put this little switch down like that, and that allows for the swivel-headed action, all right? So here you go. As you're seeing, it is giving a nice clean to my swivel. If you really want to take a look at what's going on inside it, you can really take a look here. So as I'm seeing here, with the one hand, I'm able to really press and swivel this mop and clean it up like so. So that is when I'm putting in the water. I'm cleaning out this mop, getting it wet, getting it in that soapy water. My next level, I would just kind of bring this right up here, and this is the amazing functionality here. This is where the 2-in-1 really comes into play, all right, guys? This is the drying portion. Okay, this is the drying level. So this allows the mop to be completely dry, all right? Rinses it out without me having to get in there and squeeze out any of the excess water. So this function truly is quite cool, right? You haven't seen anything like that. Not to mention, as I'm using this, my bucket is completely spill-proof. I'm not getting any kind of leaks or drips or spills anywhere else, all right? I'm loving the functionality, and look how easy this is, guys. Again, it is so lightweight, all right? The whole thing is about 1.5 kg. The mop itself is less than a kg, right? So it is super duper lightweight. I love how that works. So easy, just like that. So this is a 2-tier level model, right? Not only does it clean, not only does it wash, but it rinses it out for you, right? It wrings out your mop for you, makes it as dry as possible. And once I'm done and I'm finished, I'll just snap my little, portion into place, lift it up, and I'm ready to use it, right? I'm ready to do my cleaning. I'm ready to just do what I need to do. And as I said here, you have these lovely little microfiber bristles at the bottom there that really clean up and trap all of your dirt and debris. Not to mention it has this lovely little, of course, sensitive microfiber ring around the middle, which is great for all of your cleaning purposes and is so gentle on all of your floors, right? So all kinds of hardwood floors, linoleum floors, marble floors. This is good for all kinds of floors, just because it's very non-irritating. It's not going to scratch or damage your floors, right? So it is super duper convenient. Again, machine washable head, right? So once I'm finished there, I'll just pop that head right off, and I'll just replace it with my other head here. Here's a drier one, so you can really see the material of the microfiber function. What's great about it, guys, it's a space saver, right? It comes with 2 extra heads as well. These are all machine washable, so once you're finished, pop it in the wash and you're good to go, right? So super convenient, guys. This mop can be yours if I see your comments. Let me know if you want this mop. Let me know if you love this mop, if you have any questions as well. Leave me your comments, guys. I want to see just how much you love this mop and what you want to use it for. Remember, you can get this mop for free if you give me your comments, okay? I want to see your comments immediately. Let me know. Leave me a comment. I want an eye-liden mop, and you can get this one with the 2-in-1 swivel bucket for free, guys, all right? Super duper crazy, right? Super duper convenient and great savings. And look at that. It's picking up that mess so well. It's all getting on that mop there, right? And I'm good to go, just like that. Again, it's so lightweight, so adjustable. I'm not bending over backwards. I'm literally able to just toss this from hand to hand, guys. Really, it is quite a revolutionary product. Traditionally, when you see mops like this, when you see these kind of mops, they don't have one bucket, right? Usually they'll be a two-piece. They'll have two pieces, but this one here, the fact that it is completely convenient and gives you a 2-in-1 functionality makes it so easy. And there you go. You pop it in place in that little bucket, wring it, drip-free, mess-free, all right? You're not seeing any kind of spills, anything like that. And if you really look inside that water there, you're able to see all of that dirt, all right? All of the dirt that it has removed. Ooh. Quite disgusting, but great products. It has this little filtration system in the side too, which allows for it to rotate. And if you even look inside of it as well, it has all of those little ventilation as well that really gets rid of the dirt that you just picked up from your floor, right? So super easy, one-handed use. As you see, and once I have rinsed it out enough, I want to dry it up. I just simply lift it up a little bit and wring it dry. So easy, so convenient, right? So easy to use. Even your kids can use this, right? You can now have your children helping you to do your chores. And it's lots of fun to use, to be honest, right? Like I really like doing this. Just like that. You can go super fast, you can go slow. And then once I finished, I will just click my little into place, so conveniently and easily pops right out. It gets off of that little frame. And if you really look at what's going on inside of there, you're able to see just the kind of feature of this mop, right? How it has all of these little holes and ventilation, which then allow it to remove and get rid of all of that dirt and debris. And look how clean. Look how dirty it was when I cleaned that mess, and it's all gone. Just from bringing it from that little bucket. So that's super great. It really does the job. It really does the trick, guys. It's a quite convenient and very unique feature mop. Plus with my full swivel head design, right? It's like super convenient. I can get into all kinds of hard to reach areas, hard to reach corners. Again, just makes life convenient, right? Now this mop, guys, and the mop bucket itself, plus 2 detachable heads, right? It comes with 2 replaceable heads, which is so convenient. It is there, it's on for $39.99. Quite a steal already, right? Super duper cheap. But this mop itself is $39.99. Again, it comes with two extra heads. It also comes with a convenient 2-in-1 bucket here too, and of course the mop itself, right? And as always with all of the products that they have here, super duper easy, convenient, clip on and off design. Just makes installation so easy, right, to use. And then once I'm done with it, out of the way, I can easily just hook it on there if I want it. Keep it there. It's out of the way. It's not going to get to interfere with anyone's business. Or, as you see, it goes completely flat too. So I can just tuck it anywhere, right? I can just tuck it away, as I did with all of my other mops as well. Super duper convenient. Again, so this guy here, the 2-in-1 mop, this is $39.99. $39.99 for this mop head, but of course you have a chance to get it for free. All right, so if you give me your comments, So far, I haven't gotten any comments or any questions yet. I want to see if you guys have anything that you want to tell me here, okay? I'm waiting for your comments. Tell me that you want an eyelid mop, and you can receive it for free. So what are you doing? Just give me a comment and you can receive one of these for free. It's super duper easy to get something like this, all right? So this is one of my mops, or you can receive it for 20% off as well. We have our coupon code available on our Amazon store, or you can check out our YouTube or our Facebook page as well for all of our products and all of our product information.